Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this tutorial I am doing the this garland portion only. So I am taking this lemon yellow to make this little different because I have used already this color. So I am taking only yellow color. Okay, this is mix of lemon and the yellow ochre. So I am starting with this. Just make the lines like this. Okay, and just mix it because I need to use burnt umber to make the shade. So I am mixing this. Okay, just fill it with yellow color, then I think it is easy for you. Just fill it properly, all the yellow shades over there, and then I'll use burnt sienna or raw umber, which is called in simple language brown color. Okay, like this. Fill it with yellow color. Okay, like this. Now yellow color is very important in Kerala mural. I am doing this garland portion, which is same. Just complete the yellow portion first. Okay, we can keep this like only yellow also, but we'll make the shade like this. I will tell it, but first we will complete the garland portion. Okay, like this. If color is excess, then you can take color from there, because excess color will get dry, will not get dry very easily. So, and it will take time to dry. So just take excess color from there if you feel the color is there, then otherwise don't stretch the color. Take color and take your stroke. Okay, like this. See the difference of this yellow color. Okay, like this. Now I'll use little bit, very little burnt sienna, which is like this is burnt sienna, okay, which I am taking very little I am taking. Let me, okay, yes, I am taking very little burnt sienna over here, this much. Okay, see the quantity of the burnt sienna. Now you can see the color palette and this both. Now I'm taking one tissue, okay, and just do it with, this is the color which I am using. Just mix it properly, okay, and just make it line like this. Okay, wash it and just spread it like this. Just you have to pretend little bit of shady work over there, that's it. Okay, so once it will get, because I think it is dry, but you can wait. Okay, again wash your brush and just make a little bit of shade. After the finishing work it will look more better. Okay, this much only. So I'm taking again burnt sienna, like this. Just make the shade. You can take a little bit water here. Okay, again I'm taking burnt sienna. Wash your brush, spread like this. If you're not comfortable with directly, then you can practice on the paper, then you can use on the canvas. Okay, got it? Now, okay, again I'm taking burnt sienna. Okay, and just make the line like this and wash your brush and just, it is मेरे साइड से थोड़ा opposite है ये, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ी सा, just you have to blend it like this and just you have to show the shading only. Again like this. Okay, I'm taking water from there. Again I'm taking burnt sienna over there. It should be watery, then you can move your brush easily. Again because in the Kerela mural, like the other art form, finishing is very important. So after completing this work, full pictures, see I have you already learned this thing. Okay, so now you have idea about the finishing work. So just make it like this, very little. I'm taking like this. Now I'm taking a little, no need to take tension about the shading, just take very watery and make it like this. Okay, it should be like this for the garland portion, which is like this. Now I'm making here, this is the same. Okay, so this is the garland portion. Now I wanted to make see, this is the dhoti portion and this is also the part of the cloth. Okay, so we'll do it yellow, this one and this one. Okay, so we'll start with yellow. I will use the same yellow which I was using. See, okay, and I'll color this dhoti portion. This is light. This is also dhoti part. See, this is very light because I have to show the pitambari version of the cloth. Okay, so I'm using this yellow shade to make dhoti. This is also the dhoti portion, this one. And this is the part of, what is this part? This is, I think, jewelry part. Yeah, it is jewelry part. This is left, so I have to do it later. And this is the part of also dhoti. So I'm making this part lighter because I will have to make the shade also. This is also dhoti, and this one is also, it is looks like twisted form of cloth. Okay, so we need to complete full portion of this with light yellow. You can use also lemon yellow also. I'll adding little bit of water and this shade came. Okay, so no need to worry if you don't have this type of light which I am doing. You can use simple lemon yellow, don't worry. Okay, now this is the part of the other. This is dhoti. We can do here also because this is also dhoti part. Okay, I'm just, okay, this is also dhoti part, and this one is the area which is dhoti. Dhoti means the cloth of the Krishna ji. This is also dhoti. You can put it yellow over here. After that, you can put it yellow over here. Okay, and this is like the design. That's it. Okay, this is the dhoti. After drying, let it get dry. Okay, and we'll do the finally we got the very big area to cover this. I'm happy to do this. Okay, okay, so milte hain next episode mein. Till then, bye bye. We have to complete this portion because it's a jewelry part. I think it is like no, this is the hair portion which is coming like that. Okay, which is coming like that. Okay, this is hair portion. This is also hair portion. Oh, wait. This is the kara portion, and this is the hair portion. Okay, this is black. We will do it with black, and I don't know what is this. Okay, let's find that. But this is the hair portion. Okay, so we will make it black. Okay, till then, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.